A software firm created a new feature for their payment software. Due to the tight deadline, they rushed into production without proper testing. After a few hours of the feature's release, app users began complaining about a serious bug in the app. The development team was in a complete disarray at this point. Software testing is an important part of software development lifecycle because it allows companies or individuals to ensure that software is working properly before it's released to the public. Perhaps the bug reported by the app users would have been discovered prior to release if the engineering team had enough time to test their code. So, regardless of codebase size, how do you ensure that your app does what it's supposed to do? Software engineering ensures that developers are able to independently test various components of a software. This is known as unit testing. Unit tests are designed to validate the smallest piece of testable software possible, such as a function, method, or class. You can easily identify errors within a specific component using this method. You will be able to identify potential flaws in your software before it reaches the hands of real users. Unit tests can provide such an opportunity, avoiding the needless effort of rebuilding the broken feature in production. There are two useful testing packages in the Dart language. They allow you to test your code seamlessly. The first is the test package. It makes it easier to write tests across Dart codebase. With this test package, you can write single tests and groups of tests. You can also restrict tests to run on specific environments with the help of some annotations. Mockito is another popular package among developers. It allows for the creation of configurable mock objects, as well as the verification that the software under test interacts with the mock object in expected ways. If we want to pull data from an API, we don't have to make internet calls during testing because it will slow down the process. Mock API calls, on the other hand, could be initiated. Despite the importance of meeting deadlines, unit testing helps developers build better code more quickly while also saving time and money. Ensure you test every component of your Dart code in your next project. When you do this, you are able to verify that your Dart project is working correctly before you move to production.